everyone, welcome to Rosh Favorites. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all another place which is in Ipoh Perak, Malaysia, which is called as Fair Park. And this is the shop lots in Fair Park. I will show some of the other places which is near to Fair Park also. And you can see they got many type of restaurants also available at here, and some of restaurants are available for 24 hours also, and there are also some of the car shops are also available at here. Since it was early morning, there are a lot of shops are still closed during that time, so that's why you feel like there are less cars are on the road during that time. But if you come on afternoon or evening, there will be many cars at here. The road is very busy. You can see a lot of colleagues at here, which is called as for kids, for our parents, for teeth and more. And other than that, at here you can also shop for your home, like kitchen related shops or curtains and more. At here also got 7-Eleven and 99 Speed Mart and more. So if you want to buy from these shops, you can come to here. And after that, we are going to some of the places nearby the Fair Park, the shopping lots. After we out from the shopping lots, there is a petrol station which is nearby only. During the time that I was shoot this video is on weekdays, so that's why the cars are a lot at this road. And during weekends also there are a lot of cars at here. And this is the hotel. See how big it is, and I like the colors and lights at there. And there is a roundabout, and then we are going again to the Fair Park. And here got some of stadiums, which is you are currently seeing is also a stadium. And there is a Stadium Perak, and this side the white color building is Stadium Indra Mulia. If you visit these stadiums before this, if yes, do comment in the comment section below and like this video. See how big this place was. At this area, they got many type of sports related buildings at here. So it's like stadiums and more. Those shop lots that I was showed to you all before this, behind the shop lots got houses and school behind the shop lots. So the road will be very packed in morning, afternoon, evening. I was come to a reason for places nearby this area, so that's why I think to shoot the video at here. So hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. I will meet you on another video. Take care and bye.